Buddha. What are you saying, son? Bronson. You're an ugly bastard too, yeah?
No, he's not.
Yeah, he's ugly, he's hideous.
He's not, he's beautiful.
He's hideous.
His face needs a recon, but he's beautiful.
Bronson's fucking ready for it. He's resting his chin on the table.
I just need you to sit down, sir.
Son, what's wrong?
You don't get meals until you sit. Nobody stands at the table at a restaurant.
Boy, sit.
Sit nice.
He's just not moving.
And Buddha's like, when am I being seated?
Boy, sit down. Have you broken? What's wrong? Like, it's like the only parts of him that works are his eyes and his tail. Bronson, sit down.
Oh, God bless him, look at him.
What do you mean, God bless him? He's misbehaving.
He's so cute. Can you get his face a wee wipe for the camera?
There you go, son.
Oh, good Buddha, feel like, how'd he get a can? I want a can.
Right, Buddha. Right, you sit. Sit down. Right. Stay. Bronson, come here. Right. Right. Sit. Sit down, Buddha. Literally fucking held in PUGS.
Right, you need to sit nice. Sit nice.
They're sitting just fine, just go for it. You're not going to get another shot of it.
I don't think Buddha's sitting nice. Right, boys, we have delicacies. No, you need to sit nice. Good sir. Sit nice. Sit, Buddha. Thank you, like a gentleman. Right, today we have delicacies for you to try, but Buddha, you're right. So we have a mixture of dog-friendly. No, sit nice. We have dog-friendly fruit and veg, and we're going to try them and see how you get on. Okay? Yes. Right. So we'll start with some banana. So there's a wee bit of banana, good sir. There we are, banana. Oh no, straight at the mouth. No, Bronson, are you trying? You're like, maybe no. Oh, Buddha's banana fell right inside his chop. That was disgusting.
Bronson's eating Buddha's bit of banana.
Oh no. Oh, that's fine. Right, okay. Right, so we like banana, you don't like banana. Poor Bronson's having a wee deep because he wants to try things. Right, so we're going to try cucumber next. Buddha, come get that cucumber. No, not too sure. Banana hurt you last time when you were a bit unsure. Bronson's straight in it. Oh. That Bronson likes it.
I bet Bronson eats anything.
True.
Did Buddha eat it?
I think so.
No, he didn't. It's just mashed up on the
Just
floor.
sitting there. Nice. Oh, that's good. Yep.
No, is he?
Right, we sit nice, thank you. Are you sit nice? Buddha, sit nice. Right, next we're going to try some blueberry. You need to sit though. Sit nice. Sit down. Right, okay, don't. Right, blueberry. Oh, not straight out the mouth for Bronson, he didn't like it. Buddha liked it though. Oh, Bronson's going to get another go. Smashing.
Buddha's got no idea what's going on.
No.
It's just give me the fucking plate. Just give me the fucking plate.
He's like, what is going on here? Why are you toying with me, woman? Move out a wee bit. Move out a wee bit. Right.
Buddha's dominating. He's got both plates.
You want a bit of, oh, this is mango. Gotta try some mango. It's fresh mango, none of your tinned stuff. Right. We do hinky mango, boys. Oh, we like mango.
Oh, there you go.
Nice, okay. Right. I mean, if you could sit nice, that'd be great. Please have a wee seat for me. Right, hold on. Right, sit nice. Sit. Thank you, Bronson, you're a good boy. That's Apple, son. You sit nice? Oh, you sit nice? That's Apple. We like Apple. And we know that Buddha fucking loves Apple.
Aye, he does actually, aye.
Buddha loves Apple. Right, okay, so that was easy. Next, boys, we have celery. Celery is disgusting, but again, it's dog friendly. So, I won't be offended if you spit this one out. And pardon you, Bronson. He's burped. Right, celery. Celery. Oh!
Oh, Buddha didn't like that.
He crunched it like, oh, made apple, yes. Bronson is trying his best. What, him? Oh, he's like fucking. That's a shame.
He did not enjoy that. He did not enjoy that at all.
Oh well, Bronson's eating his bit of celery.
Buddha looks miserable now.
Oh, does that not taste nice? Give you a bit of an apple to take it away. There we go. Take that taste away. And we'll give you a bit of an apple. Take it taste away as well. There. I know celery's terrible, isn't it? Stop eating the celery if you don't like it. Right, okay. So next on the menu, come in here, come on, there we are. Next on the menu, we have, what is this? Peach. We have peaches. Let's try some peach. You want peach? Can you sit nice? Thank you. Wee bit of peach. Wee bit of peach. Is Bronson even in the footage?
Aye, yes, aye. He's just a way off to the side.
Oh.
Buddha's just sitting in the middle, feels centre of attention.
Oh, Bronson's trying peach again. He's gonna try and chew it, spit it again. Oh, back for the celery. Right. Yeah, yeah. Give it then. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Give it in. Come, move forward. Right, okay, don't. Right. So next, you've got one thing left, boys, and it's carrot. Look at everyone, what he's looking for. I've not gave it yet. Right. What is that on you? Go fluff on your stuff. Right. Carrot. Oh. Now granted it is tinned carrot and I'm awfully sorry about it. Oh no.
Buddha spat it out.
Nah, he spat it out, but then Bronson's eating it. And that's about your lot, boys. We tried, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7? That's it, right?
Let's give him the whole
1,
plate.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We tried 8 things here.
Oh.
Oh.
Give him the whole plate.
No, because it's too much food for them.
I would give them the whole plate. I just want to see what they do. Just set the plates forward.
Is that nice? Bronson!
Just shoved them at the way.
Right, okay. Batter in. Oh. So I think what we've discovered is apple and mango is 10 out of 10.
So is blueberries.
Oh, did you like blueberries?
Aye,
I can't remember.
Buddha liked a blueberry.
Wait, one in here, Buddha. Come on. Come here. Keep walking. There we go. Right. Right, okay. Oh, I'll just... There we go. You want to try that blueberry? There we are. Aye, you're right, I do like blueberries. Right, so let's see how well he's behaved. The plates are now yours. What are you thinking?
They're not sure. Actually, because we chin them all the time for trying to steal stuff off our plates.
They're like, are we allowed this?
Wait, hold on, see if I do this and use the words. There you go. Buddha, on you go.
Maybe we should lower the table a wee bit.
Bronson's excited.
It's too high for the wee boy.
No, see if you can learn. Bronson. How's that too high? It's right below your chin. He look at, see, because I've said go, he was like looking at you for confirmation, like
On you
really.
go. On you go. Get the nibble. Get that nibble, good boy. But they're like,
He sounds like a fucking reaper.
wait, hold
honestly.
on. Hold on. Hold on. Well, there you go.
Bronson wasted no time.
But Bronson went straight for the banana. No, Bronson's just moving it around. When you go.
Buddha, eat your food.
Bronson's like, what bit is it I like? Oh, he's eating a cucumber. Oh, no, okay. Buddha, look.
Buddha's fucking, why is Buddha raging at this
That's not your
situation?
plate. Right, here. Go on in there. And look, there's a wee apple. You like a wee apple, sir? Oh, come on. Yeah, see, you like a wee apple. Right, we need to take them off them soon because you can't have too much. It's not good for them.
I know. Let Buddha actually get some of his plate.
Oh, okay, Bronson. Right, Bronson, you've had enough. No more. It's too much. I don't want people phoning the police and saying they're animal abusing.
Bronson?
Bronson?
No, that's not your plate. Bronson? No?
Bronson?
He's raging.
Is that nice, Buddha? Oh, that's nice. Oh, you got a wee apple. Oh, he likes an apple.
I think he's just scoping for the apple.
That's the apple there, my babe. That one there. Yeah. You eat too fast. That's why he's still eating.
Bronson's fucking furious. He's so sad.
Right, I think that's enough for these. Oh,
You can't have too much Buddha, that's why.
no, too much. Oh, Bronson, my good table. Right, well, thank you for coming to my restaurant. Good boys. What now? Bronson's pure like, where is my plate? Oh well. Well, that was a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. But you tried 8 new foods. Right, look at this. Right, there's apple in this hand. Right, if you see. Bronson. Okay, Bronson, sit nice. See if I person it like that, I would actually be so upset. Right, sit nice. Good boy. Right, so there's apple in this hand, right? There's nothing in this hand, right? So I need you to pick a hand. Okay, well done. There you go. Right, you see the apple. You see the apple is in this hand, and you see there's nothing in this hand. Pick a hand. Yeah. Oh, he's a good boy. Clean this mess. Oh.
Went in the wrong way.
Right. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Oh, big huff. Oh well, that was fun.
It was. Wasn't it, Buddha? Look at you. You're just so fucking pushy. You're a wee bully.
Goodbye. Off with it. Here you go. No sure? You want to try? Try and take the okay. Try and take a bite. If I put it in the ground, nothing happens. You know maybe. See, Buddha usually bites it,
I know.
but he's not sure. He's like, it's covered in that other boy's slippers, I don't want it. Nearly, there we go. Yeah, you're getting munching now.
There he goes.
How come you can do that to an apple, but you can't do that to a bone of ham?
Oh, there, Buddha's getting raging there.
Right, we'll try you on the other side. Oh,
Oh, fucking hell.
oh, look at that big
Oh, you
chunk.
get a bit?
Oh, good boy. Hum. Yeah, look at that. Good boy. Oh. You no sure about that? You alright?
That he wants it.
Oh, you're so clever.
There he goes.
There we are. That's probably enough apple for everybody. Because you're foaming at the mouth now.